Look, our Christmas tree, we finally took it out. Look, the roaster's on the bench this morning in the front yard. No, you can't go out there and mess with Mr. Rooster. Yeah, we were late putting the Christmas tree up, so we were late taking it down. What y'all think about that? Now he's in the front yard. He's everywhere. Yeah, we gotta take the tree around to the back and burn it. What y'all think? That's what he thinks. Y'all wanna go get him? You wanna go get the rooster? Huh? No, you can't go get the rooster. We can't chase him. He might peck you.